$12,305, $5,313, and $4,004. And this is how much people have made on the TikTok creativity program. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create psychology fact videos just like these that have been going viral on YouTube and TikTok, which can help make you thousands of dollars. And this video is only 14 seconds long. If it was longer, it would have been qualified for the TikTok creativity program. And this account only posted 75 videos and they have over 100,000 followers. And these videos are easy to make. First, go on Canva and type in TikTok video and then click on create blank. Then click on the template that you want. And then we're going to delete all of the text from the template. And then we're going to add more templates or videos. And then we're going to do the same thing until we have a minute-long video. You can either go on templates and click on the videos that you want, or you can go on videos and type in beautiful nature or an abstract background. So either way works. So we're going to choose our video. We're going to drag it so it can fit the size of our video. And keep in mind that you don't have to have a Canva Pro account, and you can still choose the free videos that Canva has. We're going to make this video clip 3 seconds long. And we're going to do the same process until our video is 1 minute long. And once we finish, click on the button on top, and then click on download. Our video is ready. Then you need to go on ChatGPT so we can create our video script. And make sure you write this prompt. And you can change the quote that we put in the end and put a quote of a video that you liked. ChatGPT gave us 10 more quotes similar to the one that we put in our prompt. Then we'll copy them and post them on our notes. And we erased the quotation marks for each of the quotes, and then we're just typing psychology facts. We're then going to copy psychology facts and paste it on CapCut. We're then going to click on text to speech and click on the one that says confident male. And you can choose the voice that you like. We're then going to drag the text for the entire video. We're then going to copy 2 or 3 quotes at a time. And this is because CapCut has a text limit. And then we're going to click on text to speech and then confident male. And then we'll keep doing this until we finish our quotes. And don't worry how the text looks on your video, we're going to fix that in a bit. We're then going to screen record our video that we just created on CapCut, and you can do this on your phone. We're then going to click on audio and then extract it, and then click on the screen recording that you just took. And this is an important step because we're going to create our auto captions, and for some reason CapCut needs a voiceover to create your auto captions. We're then going to delete the audio for the text to speech. We're then going to click on style and choose the text style that we want. We're then going to delete all of the text of our video except the one that says psychology facts. We're then going to click on text and then auto captions. And we chose the one with the white and green text. And you can choose any other text that you like. And we're going to make our text a little bit bigger and keep it in the center. And what we're doing right now is seeing if there's any gap between the text, and we're just dragging it. So there won't be any spaces between them. And we finished our video, so we're going to click on the button on top, and then we wait until it hits 100%. And here is our final video. And keep in mind you can do this with one video clip, a minute long, or with multiple video clips like we did in our video. And if you want to know how to start e-commerce with $100, make sure to watch a video in the description box below.